I had 16 beauty products to finish up for the rest of this year at the end of September. So let's see how I've done in October. I haven't used up any makeup in October. It's actually been a bit of a quiet month on the whole for me. So let's start off with cleanser. First cleanse, Andalou Naturals Apricot Probiotic Cleansing Milk. Came in a kind deputy box. Did I like it? Excellent for taking off makeup. Not an oil cleanser. I think this was one of those pool cleanser types. Pool, I don't know if that's the word for it. It's a Korean phrase, I believe. I liked it. It was surprisingly not at all oily, and it did do a great job removing makeup, and it was a cleansing milk. But then, you know, eventually over time, I think I prefer, in the long run, I prefer using a lightweight cleansing oil such as the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Light cleansing oil. So I won't be repurchasing this. Second cleanse, Skin Iceland Glacial Face Wash. Nice second cleanse, removed all residue. However, a bit foamy, and I didn't like that. I didn't like foam on my face. The next thing, Bioderma Makeup Removing Micellar Water, iconic product. I recently emptied a whole, 500 mils. This is 250 mils. I run through these very, very fast. Love this. Will I repurchase? Already have, always will. So now we move on to lotion because, I haven't finished any serums this month. This is from Clarins. I got a bunch of samples from Clarins when I hauled recently. They're very, very generous with samples. Clarins and Shiseido are the brands that are most generous with samples that I've noticed. So this is the Hydro Essential Moisturizing Silky Cream. Beautiful product. Will I repurchase? Very lightweight, nice, ideal for warmer weather. Will I repurchase? Not immediately. I have a few other products from Clarins to try out first. One eye cream, Sunday Riley Start Over Active Eye Cream. Not as wonderful as I expected. Hydrating, yes, but not, very long lasting. I feel that it absorbed very quickly, so I won't be repurchasing this, not at this price. Instead of shower gel, I managed to use a whole soap. This is from L'Occitane, and it is a shea butter extra gentle soap. Will I repurchase? Absolutely. I'm moving from shower gels towards soaps. Better for the environment because this is all that you throw away. I know I haven't been doing much for the environment. Nothing is not going to make a rat's ass of a difference to the environment, but it's a start. It's little drops of water, and compared to what the corporations are doing, I'm doing absolutely no harm either. But that's not an argument, whataboutery isn't an argument, isn't a valid argument at all. But instead of using shower gels, I'm using soaps as the least that I can do. One hand cream. This is a Sea Breeze with shea butter luxury hand and nail cream. It's from a South African brand called the Cape Town Toiletries. And I have no idea where I picked it up. I believe it was from an airport somewhere. Will I repurchase? No, I have 4 or 5 left because, the packaging was so cute that I ended up buying quite a few. It was all right, nothing very special, but, not bad either, decent. Will I repurchase? No, probably not. One hair product, Philip Kingsley Elasticizer. I have a bazillion samples of these. This is excellent. I use it overnight before shampooing my hair, and I end up with far less frizz than usual. Will I repurchase? Have a few samples left. Last product, Dress Perfume Mist of Grapefruit from Mimi Lamines. I think it is a Korean, yes, it is a Korean brand. And it was, I'm scared of applying perfume on my skin, or on my clothes directly. I only apply perfume on my skin. This one is meant for your clothes. So I, used it up very liberally, and it was quite nice, particularly in the warm weather. So I finished up 9 products in October, which leaves me with exactly 7 products to finish for the rest of this year. I will probably be finishing that up in November. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.